Hello guys, good day. So we are still on our day 2 of our hydroponic journey, and while waiting for our seed to sprout, we would like to talk about this cocopeat. Cocopeat is a byproduct of a coconut husk, or in Tagalog, bunot. So, yung balat ng nyog, no? If you remove the hard part and get the fiber and grind it, then you'll get this cocopeat. Okay. And you can actually use other medium like soil or vermicast. Use a sponge or rice husk, but there are advantages of using cocopeat, so I will discuss them here. So one advantage is improved water retention, so it can retain moisture, so that's good for the roots. Okay. Second is aeration, where the air can easily penetrate the medium because it is loose and buhaghag. So it's good for our soil as well. It can also decrease the risk of soil fungus and root diseases. So because it is a lot cleaner and safe than soil. And also it can prevent weed growth. So the weed will not grow here, unlike when you plant it in soil. So these actually are all the similar advantages of hydroponic technology. That's all for now, and see you next time. Thank you.